The Zoho Mini-CRM view brings your Zoho CRM right into WhatsApp, so you can manage leads, contacts, and deals without leaving your chats. Let's walk through everything it can do. It all starts with creating a lead. When a contact doesn't already exist in your Zoho CRM, open the WhatsApp chat with the person you want to add, and in the Eazybe panel on the right, click the Zoho icon to open the Mini CRM. Fill in the lead's details: name, email, phone, company information, and any custom fields. Then click Create Lead. That's it. The lead is added to your CRM and ready to manage right from the Mini CRM view. Now that your lead exists, let's look at their profile. Click the Profile section, the first header within the lead section, and you'll see all the basic contact details. From here, you can update contact information, modify lead details, and add or change custom fields. Just click Save to apply your changes. And if you want more control over those details, that's where editing the lead profile comes in. Click the Edit button in the contact card, then modify field values, update contact information, and mark each property as required or optional. Click Apply to update the contact card with your selected properties, fine-tune the fields, then click Save to finalize, so everything's recorded properly in Zoho. You can also document your conversations using lead notes. Find the Notes section, the second header under the lead section. Click New Note, enter your details, and hit Save Note. You can view, edit, or delete notes anytime, keeping a complete history of every interaction so your follow-ups stay sharp. And that's the Zoho Mini CRM view, your entire CRM working right inside WhatsApp.